дорогим, с речки.
How about learning how those crispy, triangle Doritos chips are made? The floured corn dough is shaped in special machines. Yes, that's where it gets its perfect triangular shape. These machines cut the chips with millimeter precision and line them up for baking. Those crispy Doritos chips are quickly packaged and sent on their way to reach millions of fans around the world. After the potatoes are harvested, they are processed at a dizzying speed in a huge facility. These potatoes, which are suddenly lost among the giant machines, undergo an incredible transformation. The potatoes are washed, peeled, and cut into those perfect slices. But wait, this is where the real magic begins. The thin slices are cooked in special frying machines until they turn golden. Thanks to modern technology, the chips are packaged fresh and take their place on your market shelves. Selected corn grains are stored in huge silos and made ready for processing. Cooked corn is crushed and turned into thin, crispy layers. These crispy layers are baked in special ovens until they turn golden yellow. Each cereal that comes out of the oven gains a unique crunch and taste. Dancing in the heat of the ovens, these cereals turn into a delicious miracle that adds excitement to your breakfast. Pretzel dough is carefully mixed to make it soft and elastic. The kneaded dough turns into an art in the hands of masters. The dough is formed into long, thin strips and expertly twisted to give it that classic pretzel shape. Pretzels, baked in special ovens at just the right temperature, reach a perfect consistency. The delicious smells coming out of the oven are more than enough to whet your appetite. Each pretzel coming out of the oven will fascinate you with its golden, shining surface. Everything starts with carefully selected rice grains. In the first step, the rice grains are perfectly exposed to steam, so they soften and become ready to take shape. Your favorite rice cakes appear before you as a light and healthy snack, produced with complete mastery. Have you ever wondered how this legendary dessert is made? Where it all begins is that wonderful chocolate mixture. The finest cocoa and butter are expertly mixed, achieving the perfect consistency. This is the heart of the brownie. Then, this magical mixture meets flour, sugar, and vanilla. And here, this dough, delivered to the warm arms of the oven, gains that magnificent texture over time. Welcome to the Brownie Factory. Brownie dough is poured into special molds and baked to perfection in giant ovens. Then, this chocolate meets butter and flour, and the result is a true wonder of taste. Each stage is designed to create the perfect brownie dough with perfect control. Freshly baked brownies are quickly packaged and ready to be distributed worldwide. These machines ensure that each ingredient is evenly mixed, achieving the perfect balance. This is where the perfect flavor of each granola bar begins. A light syrup is added to the mix, binding these natural flavors together so that each ingredient comes together perfectly. Ovens give the granola bars that perfect crunch. The baking process is so precise that each bar has a golden crust and a soft interior. The granola bars are packaged and ready for distribution worldwide as a healthy snack. Everything starts with this dough that starts with the best ingredients. Giant mixing machines knead the dough to achieve the perfect consistency. Then, this dough is rolled out to fit the exact pizza shape. High technology is used to make the dough thin and even. In the assembly line that moves at an incredible speed, tomato sauce, cheese, pepperoni, and many other fresh ingredients are expertly placed. The pizzas are quickly flash frozen to preserve their flavor and freshness. This process ensures that the pizza remains as fresh as the first day until the moment it is cooked. The frozen pizzas are packaged and sent on their way to tables all over the world. Peanut butter. It all starts with selecting the best quality peanuts. After being carefully washed and shelled, these peanuts are roasted to bring out their wonderful aroma. The roasted peanuts are now transformed into a true wonder of taste. Giant grinders turn these peanuts into a perfect cream. This delicious peanut butter is filled into jars and packaged fresh. Tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, and many other vegetables are carefully selected and cleaned. Then, these fresh vegetables are quickly chopped in huge machines. Fresh vegetables, spices, and meat juices are combined in these cauldrons and cooked to the perfect consistency. The cooked soup is now quickly filled into cans. But it doesn't end there. These cans are immediately sealed and sterilized at high temperatures to preserve the freshness of the soup. Coffee beans are meticulously selected from the highest quality farms in the world. Afterwards, these beans are processed in giant coffee machines in such a way that the coffee reaches its highest level of flavor. But the most surprising part is how this coffee instantly turns from liquid to powder. Instant coffee production is actually a mini miracle. Thanks to this technology, your coffee is ready in just a few seconds. So, what happens in this process? Let's discover it together.